Hi, today we are making everyone's favorite nut, aka donut, with blasted chocolate cream. So let's down to making dough, adding half cup lukewarm milk into a big bowl with 2 tablespoons sugar along with a tablespoon of instant dry yeast. Give them a good mix. Crack a beautiful large egg. Beat them together until it looks like a vomit. Onto the fundamental ingredient of dough, 3 cups all-purpose flour with half teaspoon salt. Mix salt with flour first, then combine them with vomit to make a dough structure. Add 2 tablespoon butter. After adding butter, things gonna start to slip from your hands, but that's life. Passionately knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes until dough becomes smooth, supple and soft. Cover it with cling wrap and rest for 2 hours in the bathroom or in the kitchen. After 2-hour beauty nap, dough has grown big and airy. Transfer it on countertop and press it gently to release the air. You can sprinkle some flour on the work surface if the dough has some sticky feature, but it's a very easy dough to work with. Divide it into 10 equal sections. I cut 9. I don't know why. I think I always go for odds instead of evens. Use your fingers to make cute little balls of dough. Let these cute baby buns nap for 30 minutes to grow big. Onto the chocolate cream or chocolate custard. Add 1 cup milk into a pan and heat it up on medium heat. When little fish eyes appear, add half cup dark chocolate and cook on medium heat while stirring. Taste and add sugar or more chocolate if sweetness is not enough. Now add 3 tablespoon corn flour and think nothing else, just stir. Don't look anywhere and give a good stir for 2 to 3 minutes until it gets thick and the custard leaves the sides of pan. Turn off the flame and let it cool down. Ta-da! Look at the fluffy baby buns ready for the oily hot bath. Put them into the pan, starting temperature from 140 degrees Celsius. They should be fried at low temperature, not exceeding 150 degrees Celsius so that they cook well to the inside. I'm frying each side for 4 minutes. When they are looking sunny golden, flip them over and fry the other side for 3 minutes. If you want more dark brownish color, fry for 1 or 2 minutes more on low heat. Chocolate cream is chilled and hardened. Beat it gently with hand mixer to make it smooth and transfer it into a piping bag. I'm using a Ziploc bag. As always, I don't have a piping bag and I'm not going to buy one. Make some entry points in the donuts by pushing away some dough to the sides from the center with a straw. Now fill the hole with chocolate cream and please don't overload because if you overload, it's gonna explode. It's actually very satisfying to fill the donuts. Okay, it's time to eat. Look how soft and fluffy the donuts are, and the chocolate cream pairing just taking things to the moon. They are so satisfying and emotional to eat. The chocolate cream is smoothly oozing out of the donut. So, thank you. Bye.